Its Showtime host Vong Navarro showed proof of his spiel for the recent episode of the Kapamilya Noontime Show after he received criticism. Previously, Vong's co-host Kim Chu addressed the allegations that their spiel on the Noontime Show has something to do with the news that former President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested by and had to face the International Criminal Court, ICC. Kim clarified that there was nothing political in what she said and it was just good vibes. She also encouraged the public to do fact-checking first before jumping to a conclusion. Vong Navarro apparently received the same bashing online from those who thought that he was alluding to the former president. The actor-host shared a screenshot of his spiel for that instance. After greeting the madlang people, Vong had to say these lines, "Parang may iba sa ngiti nyo ngayon. Parang may ngiting inspirasyon, yung ngiting may dahilan ka para bumangon. Ganyan nga, ganyan nga. Sa kabila ng gulo at ingay, sana mahanap ninyo ang inyong dahilang ng paghinga, at ang inyong pahinga." I say Dasher. This was for the March 12 episode of the Kapamilya Noontime Show. In the caption of his post, he reiterated that this is just part of his job as a host of It's Showtime. "Ako po ay nagtatrabaho lang at binasa ko lang ang spills ko. Wala po akong masamang intensyon. Love and peace," he wrote. However, despite his explanation or clarification about accusations against what he said, some netizens still expressed negative reactions to him. Here are some comments against Vong. Meanwhile, last January, Vong Navarro got emotional after hearing the success story of his former scholar. The actor-host was overwhelmed hearing kind words from the person who received help from him.